Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 76 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are continuing with our exercises on 8 notes with exercises 116 and 117. And the first 4 were easy. These ones start getting difficult. So let's get ready and let's put our thinking caps on.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 116, we begin on this third, okay? The third of the chord. Da, 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 da. All right, so that's just a little bit of an inversion. So make sure you feel yourself with the beats 1 and 2. Da, 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 da. So that'll keep the flow. And if you want to divide that into da, 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 da. If that helps you feel it a little bit better, you can also do that. And here is exercise 116. Exercise 117 is really massively tricky for me. Again, this is one of these patting your head, rubbing your belly. The coordination on this is just a lot. So I'm going to take this nice and slow, and you might want to as well. I'm going to breathe twice per section probably, just like I've been doing in some of these longer patterns that take, because now we're doing 8 notes. And I'm not really going any faster than we were doing the 6 notes, but there's just more of the notes. So feel free to take the breaths like Marchesi marks, okay, the first note of the next measure, and then you begin on that first note of the next measure and continue on. And here is exercise 117. Oh,